Hi guys, welcome to Niger Tech. Our tutorial today is how to reset OBS software to its default settings. Learning how to use software is one thing, but also learning how to reset it to the default settings should in case everything gets messed up at the middle of the way is also very important. So let's just go to the screen. I have my OBS already downloaded. I open it up. So this is what my OBS looks like. If you are a new user, I don't think you can see all this on your screen. It has to be set up, from the scratch. So on opening it up, this is what my OBS looks like because I've already set my camera and background, in place. To reset your OBS, it's very simple. You just need to go up here to File. Click on the file and come down to Show Settings folder. On the settings folder, once it lands you to this page now, the first thing you have to do is you have to close OBS software, because if you don't close it, you cannot reset it. So I'm going to close my OBS now, and this is the settings I have in my OBS. So to reset it to the default settings, you just have to clean this up. Move to trash. So now everything has gone back to factory reset. So let me open my OBS again to show you guys that I've reset my OBS settings to the normal default settings. So on opening OBS again, the appearance is now different and I have to start afresh as a new user. So that is it. I hope the video helped you out. Thank you so much and see you next time in my next video. Thanks and bye bye.